Dear students, welcome to Rscit, that is Rajasthan State Certificate in Information Technology. This course is brought to you by Rajasthan Knowledge Corporation Limited, a public limited company promoted by Government of Rajasthan. In this era of digital age, the world has become a global village. With every passing day, the world is becoming more and more competitive, efficient and effective. Over the past few decades, technology has changed at an unimaginable pace. Computers and internet have become a basic necessity. Whether it is banking, education, healthcare, manufacturing, textile, telecom, media, traveling or any other industry, technology revolution has marked its presence in every industry. Definition of literacy has also changed in the modern digital world. Now literacy is not limited to the ability of reading and writing only. This new form of literacy matters to all, irrespective of the age group. Explosion of technology and digital information has helped individuals and societies reach great heights. But the technological revolution pace has left many behind, resulting in a digital divide. Government of Rajasthan realized the significance of digital literacy way back in 2007 for bridging this digital divide and conceptualized the creation of an organization that could take digital literacy to the masses. Subsequently, Rajasthan Knowledge Corporation Limited was incorporated on 25th of April 2008. Today, RKCL is imparting digital literacy courses through a network of authorized IT Gyan Kendras which are spread to the remotest areas in the state of Rajasthan. You are enrolled at an IT GK, which is a part of the largest network of training centers in North India. Government of Rajasthan has also constantly supported the digital literacy initiative by making Rscit one of the essential prerequisite qualification for many government vacancies. Rscit course is designed to empower you with fundamental understanding of information technology and acquire essential IT skills to begin computing with confidence. Be more productive at home and work and be able to explore career opportunities globally. Hope you have received the Rscit textbook from your ITGK. Let's have a brief overview of the course and its blended learning methodology. Course duration of Rscit is 132 hours. You should ideally spend 2 hours a day at your IT Gyan Kendra for effective learning. For better understanding, course is divided into 16 chapters, which include Computer Fundamentals, Computer System, Uses of Computers, Introduction to Internet, Internet Applications, Operating System, that is Windows 2010, Microsoft Word 2010, Basics and Advanced, Microsoft Excel 2010, Basics and Advanced, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, Basics, Microsoft Access 2010, Microsoft Outlook Basics, latest trends in IT, computer administration and computer networking. Your learning will be evaluated at regular intervals through objective assessments, interactive, simulated skill tests, DIY, that is, do-it-yourself activities and projects. Internal assessment carries a weightage of 30 marks and external assessment, that is, final examination conducted by Vardhaman Mahavir Open University Kota, carries a weightage of 70 marks. You need to score at least 12 marks in internal assessment and 28 marks in final examination in order to pass Rscit course. You should learn all the skills through this LMS and try to score full marks in internal assessment. Final Rscit certificate is issued by Vardhaman Mahavir Open University, Kota. Through this course, you will acquire all the basic IT skills necessary for making you competent and confident in this digital world. I am your IT friend. I will guide you throughout the course, and believe me, next 3 months of dedicated learning with me can take you places. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, learn the skills and be a digital citizen.